We're currently at Town Lake here for the groundbreaking for Greenhouse Road at 290. This area is very special just for the entire region. Town Lake itself is just a beautiful development. They have a bunch of different lakes out here. It's very unique. And what they're really missing is that connection to 290. And so this project will help alleviate traffic off of Barker Cypress and Fry Road, connect it to 290, and just help quality of life for the residents in the area. The current traffic situation out here, it's heavy congestion during peak times. They just don't have a very good route to get out of here. There's a lot of delays on Barker Cypress, and this road will bypass the railroad, connect to 290, and just help speed up their time into Houston to get to 290 and just help with their quality of life.
When I moved out here, Barker Cypress was a 4-lane road, and it was a biggie, but it wasn't anything with the traffic it has now. Fry Road was a 2-lane road at that time, and there was nothing in the middle. You had 249, which was a 4-lane road, didn't have the toll road, didn't have the beltway, didn't have anything like that. And it's, what comes first, chicken or egg? What comes first, the people and the roads? You try to get the roads and then the people, and I think here in Houston, we're kind of a mix of the two.
This project has a lot of different elements to it. One of the first elements that the contractor is going to do is replace the 290 bridge. We had to completely replace the bridge as we're digging underneath the columns, and the foundations themselves just aren't structurally stable to expose that dirt. And so building a new bridge to facilitate that is the option that we ended up going with. It also provides a new bridge for TxDOT, so there's a benefit to the public there. While they're doing that bridge, they'll also be constructing a railroad shoe fly to basically move the railroad off the existing line, build a new railroad bridge, and they'll also be building a stormwater pump station, which will take that water in a basin to Cypress Creek.
We knew this was been visualized for decades, and we knew it was planned. We just didn't have at that time, because there's never been a crossing of the railroad at Skinner and Greenhouse on the south side of 290. There's never been an area for that road to have permission to cross the railroad tracks. Through a lot of talking, a lot of hard work, and a lot of ambitious people talking to the right people and getting some federal funding along the way, we were able to come up with a concept to go underneath the railroad. That way, it doesn't interfere as much with the railroad business. Plus from a safety standpoint, it's so much better crossing over or under a railroad. It's a lot more expensive, but it's a lot safer.
From a functional standpoint, it's going to make a lot of people's lives going to work in the morning and coming home at night a whole heck of a lot easier. The byproduct of that, it's also going to make response times for our emergency service districts substantially faster. So health, safety, the community, outstanding. And then it allows us as a developer to unlock our vision of really creating the next downtown Cypress here. Caldwell is the developers that we set the vision for the community, including Town Lake itself and the 350-acre lake and all the amenities that go along with it. And then this tract of land that we've unlocked because of this overpass now, it gives us a palette that we can paint on that is just outstanding. We're going to be able to create something just really iconic that will last for many, many generations in the Cypress area.
Our client is Harris County Mud 500, but Caldwell definitely played a vital role in the project. This project really shows the power of partnerships to get federal funding.
The first estimate, I think they told me it was going to cost about $40 million, and I think it's closer to 80 now as we're finally finished over the course of 20 years. You had to find the right team. You had to find the right team of people that knew the right people to ask and had been through the process of soliciting funds from the federal government, from local partners, how that process worked, the people you needed to know, the people that you needed to help you, the people politically that needed to be engaged in your project and support it. Like any big project like this, it's putting together a really good team, a team of people that know how to get it done, and then just unifying around a vision that we all engaged in.
EHRA does a really good job on projects like this. We have relevant experience in the area, as well as we have those relationships with the different agencies to really understand what their needs are, talk with them, and build the infrastructure that works for them and for the public. This project has a little bit of everything on it. It's one of my projects that I've worked on for a really long time, and I'm just really excited to see it come to life.